So what is it that causes the crash in Bitcoin's 4-year cycles? If we know that what causes it to rise is the halving event, when it hits that top and starts to crash, what's going on? It's the same story as October 1929 with Wall Street and stocks, or real estate in 2006, 7, 8. Emotion drives human behavior much more powerfully than logic or reason. And folks get real emotional about their money and the opportunity to turn their money into more money. And so their emotion drives them to pile into something that they see rising. They generally missed it when it was on the floor. Warren Buffett says, be greedy when people are fearful and be fearful when people are greedy. So here comes this emotion of greed and people are piling in. And to exacerbate the situation and the circumstance, they're not just putting money into this rising asset or the asset they think is going to keep rising. They go and take loans, and that's called leverage. And they start to put loaned money on top of their actual money. And inevitably, this asset's going to rise only so high, and then it's going to top out. And folks are sitting on all those loans, and those loans get called in. And here comes the crash. It happened with real estate over and over. It happened with stocks over and over. And it happens with crypto over and over. It's the nature of a market cycle, and it's human emotion.